The Transcendence collection holds so much of myself, of what is meaningful in my life and my design. Sustainable living is central to my work, so I was so delighted to partner with KOHLER on this collection. In Beirut, where I live, we're seeing temperatures continue to rise from climate change. It's so essential for people to have sustainable design options. With the WasteLab, it's all about taking the same material and recycling it and creating something more evolved and new and beautiful. Although these tiles are made of nearly 100% recycled waste, it just feels very elevated and it feels like a very high-end, luxurious product. In designing the collection, I was inspired by the rituals of water and self-care. The onsen in Japan, where I grew up, and the hammam in the Middle East. There's a spiritual element to these communal rituals, a sense of cleansing the soul as well as the body. In Beirut, it's kind of a ritual. In the mornings, I go to the sea, I look at the horizon, and I do swim regularly. It's very calming. It adds so much richness to my soul. For me, blue signifies the sky and the sea. Having that depth of color was not part of what I expected. So it was really a happy mistake, this kind of layering of the arches and the colors. They're all reflective of how we can really transcend different cultures and really create something that we have all in common. Lake has the stillness of solitary reflection. In contrast, Turquoise carries a light social energy. Together, they capture the hammam experience. I'm very passionate about preserving craft. Transcendence is all the more beautiful because each tile is handcrafted in the KOHLER WasteLAB. It's always important for me that design has the flexibility to be personalized. The Transcendence collection is an invitation to moments of reflection and joy.